Today, I recorded myself creating a dragon digital painting using AI and Photoshop. The whole process took about 70 minutes. I didn't plan anything. I just hit record and showed you how I tackled this concept. I'll speed up the video so it's condensed into just a few minutes. I'm using the Stable Diffusion Forge UI with the Juggernaut XL version 9 model. The idea I had in mind was to create a digital painting of a dragon in a cave, something fantasy themed. I experimented with different prompts until I found one that inspired me, focusing on nice colors and composition to bring the concept to life. Once I have an image, I can send it to InPaint and start adding more details and the things I need. I just had some fun playing around, trying different things to see what could work. I'm exploring different ideas until I find something I like. For the in-painting part, you can add new elements, but you can also enhance the details in specific parts of the illustration, like I'm doing here with the fantasy flowers. Since the in-paint is set to only masked, I can achieve better details on the part I selected with the brush. Then I simply drag the new image onto InPaint again and can select a new area that I want to improve. Photoshop, I'm using Liquify to adjust shapes. This method allows me to make things appear thicker or thinner, move arms, enlarge heads, and perform all kinds of adjustments. Liquify is faster, but I can also use Warp or like digital painting for similar effects. What I'm doing here is, instead of using InPaint, I'm selecting parts from my image with the selection tool and pasting them onto image to enhance them. This way I get better versions of that portion. Then in Photoshop, I drag the same image, making sure it's the same size, and use a soft brush to mask out the edges. After that, I blend it with the initial image. This gives me more control over the final result. This is how the final 4K image looks, and now it's time to animate it a little. I'm using software called DP Animation Maker. That's all for today. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see more videos like this, or if I should stick to just technical tutorials explaining tools. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, and I'll see you soon with a new video. Have a great day.